Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to set up abandoned checkout recovery automation on Shopify. And as an online retailer, it can be frustrating to see customers abandon their checkouts before completing their purchases. However, with Shopify's new abandoned checkout recovery automation, you can recover those lost sales and boost your revenue. So in this video, I will guide you step by step on how to set up this feature. So before we dive into the practical automation settings, let me draw your attention to an important change on abandoned checkout notification. So go to your Shopify admin panel, click on Settings, click Checkout and Accounts. Scroll down to Abandoned Checkout Emails, and you will see a message that says Abandoned Checkout settings are no longer managed here. So to view and edit your automation, visit Marketing Automations. So click on Marketing Automations to start our setup. The first step in setting up abandoned checkout recovery automation on Shopify is to enable this feature. And to do this, click on the Create Automation button at the top right corner of the page and choose Abandoned Checkout and click Turn on Automation. So congratulations, your automation is now enabled. Step 2, customize your abandoned checkout recovery emails. So now that you have enabled abandoned checkout recovery automation, and the next step is to customize your recovery emails. And although Shopify provides default email templates, it's better to customize them to match your brand. You can add your logo, brand colors, and personalized messages to the emails to make them more appealing to your customers. And to customize your emails, you can find the flow you just created, scroll down to the button and click on the automation you just created, and then click on Edit Workflow. You will see a flow from left to right, and the last node is about the email. Click on that node, then click View Email, and followed by Edit. And here you can edit the email to your liking using the drag and drop editor. And remember to adjust it to appeal to your store theme, color, font, and style. And after making your changes, click Save and you will be directed back to the flow. In step 3, test your abandoned checkout recovery email. So before launching your abandoned checkout recovery emails, it's essential to test them to ensure that they are working correctly. And to do this, edit the flow again. Find the timing node and adjust it to 5 minutes. Save it and then simulate an abandoned checkout by adding items to your cart and then leaving the page before completing purchase. And once you have simulated an abandoned checkout, you should receive an email from Shopify's abandoned checkout recovery automation, and then check the email to ensure that it contains the correct information and looks the way you want it to. And after everything looks good, you are ready to launch your abandoned checkout recovery emails. And then it's step 4, launch your abandoned checkout recovery emails. So now you have customized and tested your abandoned checkout recovery emails, so it's time to launch them. To do this, adjust the timing of email sending. So for my personal experience, 30 minutes is an excellent choice, and after that, Shopify's abandoned checkout recovery automation will automatically send recovery emails to customers who abandoned their checkouts before completing their purchases. So that's it. Setting up abandoned checkout recovery automation on Shopify is easy and straightforward. And with this feature, you can recover lost sales and boost your revenue. And remember to customize your recovery emails to match your brand and test them before launching them. And if you are not satisfied with Shopify's automation service, you can refer to this video and try out Robosell for a more complete abandoned checkout recovery route. And it's free to recover the first 100 abandoned checkouts, and it includes a complete series of tactics and templates ready to go. So good luck with your Shopify business trip, and I will see you in the next video.